Let's learn how you can check your Instagram join date or the date when you've created your Instagram account. Welcome back to another simple Instagram tutorial, everyone. If you are curious to see when you've created your account on Instagram, you can easily do that on both iOS and Android devices. But before we start with this video, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe to Tutor in order to support the channel. So without wasting your time, let's start with this video. Make sure that your Instagram application is updated to the latest version and then open it. After you open it, you want to go over to your Instagram profile and then tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. After that, we will open our Instagram settings, and when you do that, you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page until you can see this About button. And then tap on the About Your Account. You will see the date joined, and it says here that I've created this specific Instagram account in June of 2022. You can comment on when you've created your Instagram account in the comment section down below, and I will see you in the next video.